Good evening, students. Today we'll discuss more about decision making statements. I hope you have seen the first video of decision making statements. So let us start more about the decision making statements. So as we have discussed in first video, decision making statement allow to choose the set of instructions for execution depending upon a particular condition. That means that whenever you want to execute a statement based on some condition, we use decision making statements. Java supports two types of decision making statements, if and switch. The decision making statements are also called conditional statement or selection statements. Why? Because it selects statement based on some condition. In last video, we have already discussed about normal if or simple if. Now today, we are going to discuss about if else. An if else statement. An if else statement tests a particular condition. If the condition evaluates to true, statement 1 is executed, otherwise statement 2 is executed. That means it selects 1 out of 2. Syntax of if else: if condition statement 1, else statement 2. If the condition is true, the statement 1 will execute. If the condition is false, statement 2 execute. In an if else statement, only the code associated with if or else is executed, never both. That means कि depending on the condition, if the condition is true, the if block will be executed, otherwise else block is executed, never both. So now let us see with the help of program. Write a program to accept two numbers and check whether first number is divisible by second number or not. Class check, opening brace, void main, two arguments we can take, int a, int b. Then if a mod b equal to 0, that means a is divisible by b. Else, now you can see here no need to put another if, because if the number is not divisible, so that directly can be printed in the else. So system.out.println a is not divisible by b. End of main, end of class. Now let us see with the help of example. Suppose if first number is 12 and second number is 3. So 12 divided by 3, quotient is 4, remainder is 0. So because remainder is 0, the output you will get 12 is divisible by 3. Another example, if the number is 17 and 5, quotient is 3, 17 divided by 5, quotient is 3, 5 3 is 15, and remainder will be 2. So here you can see remainder is not equal to 0, that's why directly it will go to the else, and the output will be there, 17 is not divisible by 5. Now let us see another example. Write a program to input two angles and check whether they are complementary angles or not. When the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then the angles are known as complementary angles. So import java.util, because we are going to take input. Class complement, void main, scanner, object will create. Then we'll take the input of two angles. Let angle A is A and angle B is second angle is B. Now as per the definition, if the sum A plus B is equal to 90, then we can print the angles are complementary angles. If the condition is false, we can print the angles are not complementary angles. That means no need to put another condition. Simply if the condition is true, so first message will be printed. If the condition is false, second message. So if else is better when we have to choose one out of two. In normal if, like in first video you have seen, we have discussed about the if. So if we can use where multiple conditions are there, multiple statements are there, and any number of statements can be executed. But if else, when we have two statements and you want one to be executed, so we can prefer if else. So I hope you like the video. Thank you.